So what is full mouth reconstruction? Basically, we reconstruct teeth that have worn down or broken down to the point that they no longer function. And so we can take a person who usually through years of grinding and clenching, they've broken their teeth down, and we can rebuild those teeth with crowns and completely restore not only the function, but the aesthetics. So it's not just to make a pretty smile. These people often suffer from debilitating dental conditions that they can't chew and eat well. And so it restores function as well as the cosmetic appearance. So when it's been decided that we need to reconstruct a person's teeth, there are a lot of different levels that are involved. We can on the low end, we can just simply use veneers and do minimal preparation, almost no preparation reconstruction. We have a case going right now where we're just going to round some corners on a teeth but restore the person's full mouth. And on the other end of that scale, we have where people need all implants. Their teeth are gone too far. And so we have to reconstruct with dental implants. And so there may be varying degrees of either veneers, crowns, implants, bridges that need to be done to restore a person's mouth. The point is when we're done, that the person can function and they look great, that they look like they haven't had work done, and then they can function like they did when they were young. Our goal at this office is to preserve what God gave you. We want to try to keep in everything that we can. Sometimes it's necessary to remove teeth when they're deemed hopeless, non-restorable. But our goal is to always try to keep what we can and restore what we can and restore that person to functioning and aesthetics the way God intended them to be.